Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Sapna. I was waiting for that call and I'm so great and elated to connect with you. Great, feeling awesome. What about you?
I'm also doing great in my life, and today it's my privilege, ma'am, that I'm gonna have the session with you. So
Same,
completely, it's my pleasure.
same here. I'm so delighted because you can't connect with everyone, right? You can't connect with everyone. There are some people in this world to whom you feel attuned, a kind of relatability. Then you connect.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. So,
Yes.
ma'am,
Oh,
since
mhm.
we are meeting very first time, I would love to know about yourself something. So please introduce.
Yes, pleasure is mine. My name is Rekha Sharma, connecting you from the capital of India, Delhi. My hires are BCom, B.Ed, and CTET qualified, running a YouTube channel named English with RVS. And on top of that, meditation, yoga, dancing, all are core of interest of my life. Having twin babies, so that's the glimpse of my intro.
That's a wonderful introduction, and
One more thing I would like to add on here. I hail from the beauty of hills, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand, yes. And
Yeah.
I know very well about yourself, ma'am. I was asking only for my viewers, just because I'm
Huh.
always watching your video, and I can say like I'm enjoying watching your video. And sometimes whenever you are making blog type video with the small kids,
Yes,
so I
yes.
also love to watch the video, and I always watch. And that kids, as you are saying that you are mother of twins, so
Mhm.
they are yours. They are more
Yes,
than
both are mine.
okay, lovely. So they are
Yes.
also so much fluent, ma'am, in English, just like you.
Yes, actually, they have their first language is English at home. Whenever
Okay.
you have to communicate and I have to communicate with them, the first language is English. They understand English, Hindi, sorry, they understand Hindi, but their first language is English from when they were 1 year old.
Wow, ma'am, that's amazing. Because when first time I was watching your video, so I was thinking that you are gonna make them learn something about
Mm.
English. Something.
Oh,
When I heard them speaking, so I realized, oh my God, they are already fluent.
yes, yes, yes.
That's
Okay, so
great.
tell me something about yourself. I'm all ears. I'm
Okay.
excited, pumped up.
So first of all, thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving this lovely opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Sapna Raghvanshi, and I'm from Jaunpur, UP. By profession, I'm private school teacher, and right now I can say I have returned from a school, and I'm just having session with you.
Okay, so
So
you're not feeling so tired. Straight from the
no,
school, you're
ma'am. Ma'am, actually, nowadays I'm feeling so much tired, literally, honestly, if I say. So, due to, new session, just because for the last few days we have been habitual to sit by going to school and sitting and all the
Mhm.
time copy correct. And nowadays we have to take all the classes properly. Sometimes we are supposed to provide lecture only, so by doing all the things, sometimes I'm feeling my jaw is paining. Sometimes I'm
Yes.
getting tense, headache. But what to
Okay.
do, ma'am? This is
Hmm.
all. This is my passion. Whenever I'm not having session, so I'm feeling
Uh-huh.
very bad inside. I'm feeling like
Hmm.
another. That's why I have to do. I have to have session.
Yeah, it's very important to follow your passion, and I believe if you are following your passion, it always boosts your confidence, strengthen your personality, and you never feel tired. You feel like mojo, you feel like walking on the air, right? You feel
Yes.
so excited.
And ma'am, whenever I'm watching your video, so I'm learning something new. I
Oh,
learned recently I have uploaded a video that we have green thumb. So this word
okay,
green
yes,
thumb.
I
I
watched
have
that
learned.
video in the morning today.
Okay. So I have learned this word from you, and also another word I have learned, that is mental diarrhea. Means you were having session with anyone, so I have also used. If you watched by that
Yes,
video, I don't know. So you must have come across that word like mental diarrhea. So just because whenever this is the special quality of yours, ma'am, that whenever you are using something new, so you are explaining that thing. I
Yes,
observe.
that's what I wanted to tell everyone. If I am using any particular word, it may be difficult, sound difficult, it may be sound weird, but at that moment I always explain it in a simple way.
Yes, ma'am. So you just, when I heard first time mental diarrhea, I was also laughing. Oh my God, what is this mental diarrhea? So when you explained it properly, so I got to know like, okay, means like this I can also use in my
Yes.
conversation. And as we all are here to steal something from someone, so I can say I have stolen your words.
No, no, it is not stolen. You acquiring something, and that's the best part. You are acquiring, you are understanding, and you are implementing. That's the achievement.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. If we are implementing something, so this is the sometime what happened, we are learning only lots of things, but we are not implementing in our conversation. So this is
Yes.
the problem that was being faced a lot by me.
Yes, the one thing here I would like to mention, we need to understand that all words, all phrases, all idioms are not useful for our
Yes,
conversation, right? We need to understand the destination. I mean, we need to understand why we are learning this language. Suppose you are a teacher. No, I would not say suppose you are a teacher actually, right? You are a teacher and you want to learn this language because you have to deal with the parents, you have to deal with the student, as well as you want that ecosystem, that beautiful English environment at your home. So that is your destination, that is your purpose, right,
yes,
in
ma'am,
English.
you're right.
So according to your purpose, you need to choose the word. Okay, this word is going to helpful in my conversation, in my school, at my home. So let me just pick it up. Oh no, this is not going to useful. Let's just skip it. So we need to understand that all words are not required. So take
Yes,
the word.
ma'am.
Yes.
So as you mentioned, ma'am, sometime I'm also supposed to write new words on my board, notice board and decoration board in my school. And sometime I'm just getting some new words. Means daily we have to write some new words. So if I'm getting something that yes, I can also use this word on myself. So ma'am,
Mhm.
a day before yesterday, I got to know about the word fanatical. Fanatical means
Fanatical.
you
Fanatic or
know
fanatical?
maybe I'm just mispronouncing. I don't know. So you just
Fanatic.
Fanatical.
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 Okay, that is a different word. I was talking about the fanatic.
No, no. So ma'am is fanatical. Yes, I just search its pronunciation as well. So I thought, okay, it means whenever you are just stubborn for something, you are desperately or passionately want to do something or follow something. So like this. So I thought, okay, this is a great word I can use while conversing, just
Yes.
because it also suited on me. So I'm
Yes.
saying I used I am fanatical about English like this.
Okay. Great, great. That is the right approach. If you are connecting that particular word with the imaginary situation, with your or with your social life, with a social member, it will automatic second your brain.
Yes, ma'am. And yesterday itself also I have written, I think, LAUD. It's lot. So, ma'am, you must have heard, I
What?
think.
Lot.
LAUD. Laud means appreciate. I am being lauded by everyone for my journey. So, like appreciate it. Like laud means appreciate or praise, like this.
Okay.
So,
Praise something. If you are getting praise, yes, praise. प्रशंसा करना मतलब. Yes, getting praise or appreciation.
I also used okay means whatever I'm doing for my
Mhm.
English for my passion, so I'm being lauded by each and everyone, I can say. So I just used this particular words also. So by
Mhm.
using this word, I can say like I easily just get it registered in my mind.
Mm.
And ma'am, one thing, I'm not just giving my time, proper time to my practice for my reading practice. Means whatever I'm just doing, I'm doing while doing any household, while like
Okay.
managing any house. So like
Uh-huh.
this. So only just
Okay.
I'm happy returning from my school, so I'm just managing my this time. After this, I'm just I will go to kitchen, then do all the household. And nowadays, ma'am, school timing is also changed, so it's
Yes.
quite hectic. Just because
Mhm.
earlier we were habitual to get up at 5:30, 6:30,
Mhm.
5:30, sometimes 6 also. But nowadays we have to get up at 4, sometime 4:30.
Yes.
Just
So don't you feel
that
stress?
that
So
hectic.
how, so how do you feel? Don't you feel a kind of a stress? How do you manage your stress? I believe you
So,
have
ma'am,
lot of things. Hmm.
means I can say I'm managing. I'm just, yes. Sometimes I also feel like I have to take rest. I need rest, but I'm not just taking. So that and I also mentioned my problem. Miss, whenever I'm not having session, so that time I'm feeling very bad inside. I don't know why. So yesterday itself, ma'am, I didn't have any session just because yesterday literally I didn't feel like to have session. So I just skipped. And one thing, ma'am, this is my bad habit since my childhood. Like, I am never having a nap in a day. And
Oh.
due to that, yeah, since my childhood, still I remember this when I was kid. So my mother was just scolding me a lot, sometimes beating me. Like in the summer season, in afternoon, just take a nap at least. But I was always just searching a chance, like when my mama will just
Uh-huh.
take sleep, so I just go out and play like
Uh-huh.
this. So it was
Okay.
so sometimes also telling, like, after returning from your school nowadays you are just getting up very early, so you have to at least after returning you have to take a nap, a short nap, but you are not taking that. So sometimes you are feeling exhausted. And he's also just bringing lots of fruits, orange, grapes and apple, just you need energy. So I'm
Yes.
just,
Yes.
but I'm not taking nap. This is my
Very
bad
important,
habit.
yes, it's very important to recollect your energy, to restore your energy. You need to go for the cat nap. Cat
Yeah.
nap and power nap, you can say it. Cat nap, power nap, or you can say you deserve a shut eye. Three phrases I'm giving you here,
Yes.
right?
So, ma'am, sometime I'm just laying down on my bed, but I can say, like, I'm just staying awake. I'm not taking nap. And just because, yes, but by laying down only, I'm just feeling like, yes, I'm just having at least some relaxation.
Okay, this is your way. I think, I believe, everyone has a different physique, right? Different style to take a nap. This is your style to take a nap. Just lie down on bed and with your open eyes, you can take a rest.
No, no, not open eyes. Sometimes I'm just closing my
Yes.
eyes. But saying, like, if I talk about short nap, it means, ma'am,
Uh-huh, yes.
sleeping for a single moment. I'm just staying awake. I'm saying that, yes, I'm just only taking rest by laying on my bed.
I take only half an hour nap, power nap in afternoon if it is required. Otherwise, I also skip that part.
So yes, ma'am, I'm never having. And some of the teachers are also living my near place. They are just after returning, they are just going to they are having their lunch and they are just taking rest like this. They are
Uh-huh.
also telling, like, you never take nap. You're always
Mhm.
doing something in afternoon, in evening, all the time you're doing something. So I said,
How do
what
you
to do?
manage
This is
your kid then? How do you manage your kids and their homework, right? And post work related to YouTube channel. Lot of you are wearing a multiple cap hat.
yes, ma'am. But if I talk about my channel, so my husband is managing. I'm just
Okay, that's
having.
great.
And sometime if there's a requirement of editing, so I'm editing my video, but my husband is just uploading. Even you can't believe, ma'am, I don't know how to list it. Yes, listed the video. I don't know. My
Uh,
husband is doing. Recently, he just made me learn, like, how to list the video. If sometime he's outside of home, so he just made me learn, like, yes, like this you can
mhm.
listed your video and all. Otherwise, earlier I didn't know. So
So
he is uploading all the
are you
things.
getting the recording properly recording?
No, ma'am. Nowadays, I'm not getting. One more thing, ma'am. A day before yesterday, as I mentioned that yesterday I didn't have any session. So a day before yesterday, I had a session with Rajpal, I think.
Rajpal, yes.
Yes. So, I just shared the same problem. So, he was also telling like earlier I was also facing the same problem, but Tanya ma'am just helped me. So he asked, "Do you know Tanya ma'am?" So I said, "Yes, I know very well, just because I have taken session with her." And you also dropped a message the very first time on that video that we
Okay.
both look like
Okay.
doppelganger. To say
Yes. Yes, I got it. Mhm.
that day, that word, like carbon copy. You mentioned like
Twinning,
you both are
twinning.
doppelganger.
Twinning. Maybe I use that word, twinning.
Twinning, no, ma'am.
Doppelganger.
So that day, honestly, I didn't know about that word. So I was thinking, what is this doppelganger? So I just searched. So I found like yes, this means both are looking same, like carbon copy and all. Oh, I got new words. This word also from you. So that day, Rajpal sir mentioned like he took help from Tanya ma'am. So I said, yes,
Okay.
I know Tanya ma'am. So he said, yes, Tanya ma'am just helped me how to, because earlier she was also facing and then she got to know. So she also helped me. So I said, oh my God, why I am not able? So you are also the one who are not
Okay.
able to get.
Facing the same problem. I know Tanya. I will call her.
And yes, ma'am, if you get any help from Tanya ma'am, so please just message me.
Yes, yes, sure, definitely. If I'll get any help, definitely I will tell you. I'm a person never leave a person in the lurch. बीच में मैं किसी को छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. I don't believe in half bake. I only believe in full bake.
Yes, sir. Because lots of my videos are on that application. That's why sometimes I was regretting, like, oh my God, finally I think I will not get my video. So like that day, Ritu ma'am and Rajpal sir, they just gave some like what to say happiness. Like you can get some.
I will ask her. I will ask her. If I have dropped the message to her. She didn't reply yet. Once I get the reply, definitely I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Don't worry
So,
about it.
to ask one thing only, like your English is superb, and you are, as you are saying that your kids they are also using English communication as a first language. So
Language.
from always you were so much good at English, or you learned by after some time, like since you
Yes.
after some time.
Earlier, I was not good at this language. I did my schooling from vernacular medium, from Hindi medium, right? But I can say with a great amount of pride that I did my schooling from government school. It has no harm to accept it. Let me just accept it. And the second thing, one advantage I had that time, that I know the rules of regulation of that grammatical part, but I was not keeping myself on the practice mode. The first thing is that, right? And the second thing is my kids impose that language on me, that mama, you need to learn this language anyhow.
Oh,
So it's been only 1 year. There's been only 1 year. For 6 months, I was an amateur YouTuber. I was just uploading the video for the sake of my fun, to connect with the people and to the collaborating learning. So it was like that. After 6 months, I realized that I need to work on this language. And within 6 months, I tortured myself and I learned. So, without pain, no gain. There is saying, no
that's nice.
pain, no gain. So I took that pain and I tortured myself, immersed myself to learn this language.
Wow, ma'am, this is quite inspiring journey. And after observing your way of speaking, I was considering that yes, maybe since your childhood you were speaking English, you have been just studying, means you have done your study from English to English medium like CBSE board. That's why you are so much fluent like this. Just because I have also done all my schooling and college in Hindi medium, and ma'am, means up to fifth standard even I didn't know what is alphabet. So when I went to sixth standard, so I started learning a b c
Same
d.
here. Same
Same.
here. I started from sixth standard
Wow,
only.
ma'am. But no
Same
one can
here.
consider you a Hindi medium student just because your way of speaking is you are speaking just like a pro. I watched your video all the time. So, ma'am, now I'm getting more like inspiration, and I'm just so more ardent about English.
You can do it. If I can do it, I believe everybody can do in this world. Nothing is rocket science. First of all, nothing is rocket science. Everything is cakewalk. So think like that. English language is like we are cooking something, right?
Yeah.
Like our cooking skill. If you will take the burden, this language is not going to, not going to sink in your brain. If you will think like that, it is my cooking skill, I am cooking
Yeah.
sabji, cooking halwa, definitely it go in your brain.
It will be halwa for everyone.
That's why I'm saying it is a cakewalk for everyone. So don't take a burden of it.
Yes, ma'am. So
And
earlier I
second,
was thinking.
and second most important thing, don't get that fear. You know,
uh,
fear is the main hurdle, and I don't have that fear, right? Because what I believe, nobody is perfect in this world. Nobody is perfect in this world, so do I, right? And everybody has to fail at one point at the other point, right?
yes,
Sooner you realize, the sooner you accept it, and it is a law of average. Falling down, it is a law of average. It will catch you everywhere. In every profession, it will catch you. You will have. If someone is saying that I don't have fear, I don't have fear. If I'm saying I don't have fear, that means I'm lying. Everybody has that fear. May किसी के पास थोड़ा होता है, किसी के पास ज्यादा होता है. This is
uh,
the only difference,
you are
right?
right.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right. Because, if I talk about this conversation session like this, so earlier when I was having, I was shivering a lot, I was fearing, scaring a lot. But little by little, I have just overcome this.
Mm.
But I can't say that I'm not scaring. Sometimes still I'm getting stuck. I'm just having this fear. But yes, I'm okay with it.
You know what is most important? To hold the conversation, to go with the flow. That flawless, stucking, fumbling, it is a part of conversation. We are stucking in Hindi language, we are fumbling in our regional language. If we are fumbling in English language, that is it a crime? No.
No,
So,
yes, ma'am. And
huh?
and also, ma'am, if we are not fumbling or stucking, if we are just saying something, so it just seems like robotically we are saying. Just sometimes
Yes.
we are sorting down and we are going to deliver, so we are just saying robotically without getting stuck. So this is also
Mm.
not, sounding good while conversing. So we have to take pause, we have to take time like this. So this is looking, this is just like real conversation.
Yes, yes, I do believe in that. So whenever I connect with the people, you always see me moving here, hand moving, eyes, expression, because I love that part. I'm a very, drama queen, I would say, at my home. So whenever I'm talking, I'm showing some tantrum. So it is a part of my, personality.
Yes, ma'am. So this is also great thing.
Yes, 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 yes. Feel it and express it and deliver it. That's the thing, nothing else.
Yes, ma'am. Earlier, I was also thinking a lot, but nowadays I'm not thinking. Whatever I'm just saying right or wrong, but I'm speaking, saying confidently. I'm just
Right.
thinking, hey, no one is going to suit me for my mistake. Like, why did you do this mistake in English? So why? What's the need to take tension about it? Just be bindas like
you know
this.
yes, chill out, bindas. Don't be that scattered brain, वो झल्ला वाला दिमाग नहीं रखो. Chill out.
Chill out. Yes, sir.
Yes, always chill out, bindas.
You are such a wonderful and ecstatic personality. After having this session with you, now I can say I will feel more ardent in my next session with anyone.
Yes, that's what I want. Strengthen your personality, boost up your personality. No
Yes,
matter who's sitting in front of you, expert है, communicator coach है, just follow your instinct and
you are the
speak
best.
your mind.
Yes, ma'am. Just like Shah Rukh Khan, you are the best. Say yourself that yes, you are the best.
There is a phrase for it. Keep reminding yourself and telling yourself that since sliced bread. इसका मतलब होता है हमेशा अपने आप को ये याद दिलाना कि मैं बहुत इनक्रेडिबल हूँ, बहुत अच्छी हूँ. So
Yes.
always remind you that I'm the best thing since sliced bread. मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, बहुत इनक्रेडिबल हूँ. बाकी
Yes.
भी अच्छे होंगे. I'm not saying that बाकी अच्छे नहीं है. All are good at their place.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Yes.
Like we should just appreciate and ourselves and be our best friend. Why, if we are not respecting ourselves, so how can we get respect from others? So we should
Yes.
called self realization, ma'am.
Yes, we always talk about self-love, you
Yes,
know,
self. Yes.
self-love. So I would like to add on two more point here. Self-love, self-care, self-pamper and self-compassion. दया भी दिखाओ अपने आप पे, कभी कभार दया भी आनी चाहिए ना.
And self respect also, ma'am. Totally.
Yes, बहुत जरूरी है. Don't let other people to dominate your personality. Don't let other people to, create that line for your values. Otherwise, it lead to a low self esteem. अगर कोई आप पे, हावी हो जाएगा, आपको dominate करेगा, तो आपकी self esteem को वो नुकसान पहुंचाएगा.
Yes, ma'am. It will be in danger. Our self esteem will be in danger. And
So speak for yourself, raise your voice, speak for yourself, raise your voice, and be the master of your own universe.
yes, ma'am. Be the best version of yourself.
Yes, that is the thing. Okay, so on this positive note, let's just wind up the session.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And
Yes.
thanks a lot for providing me such an ecstatic energy and also providing me your precious time. Now I'm feeling so much happy that
I'm
I.
so happy. I'm so delighted. Feeling is mutual because I wanted to connect with you. That's why I sent you the message, right? You didn't send me, right? I sent to you because I wanted to connect with you.
Oh my God! So this is the best appreciation for me in this world that you
Yes.
wanted to get connect with me. And you
Yes.
know, honestly, if I talk about this, so I also wanted to have session with you, but still due to some, whenever I was watching a video, so I was thinking, see, this ma'am is superb in English, so how to get connect with her like this? That's why I never approached you. But I was thinking like in future I will definitely just approach you. I was just a little bit feeling hesitation to have a session with you. That's why.
No worries. No
Yeah,
worries.
after getting your comment, I just can say I felt myself over the moon, on top of world.
Yes, I was looking, I was keeping an eye on your videos, so I thought let's just connect with that lady. She has something. Let me just have a conversation with her. So that's why I sent the message. Otherwise, you know, hardly send the message to anyone. But yes, in which I feel yes, she or he has something. Let me just connect with.
And ma'am, I also observed one thing: you are not uploading your video on daily basis. You are just uploading after having some break. I think after,
Yes,
yes, some gap.
two in a week. So tomorrow I will upload.
Yes, yes, yes. I noticed. So thanks,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you
I
so much, Sapna. I feel so delighted, and pleasure is mine. Yes, I would like to take that pleasure on my side. Great to connect with you. Keep learning, keep illuminating the people.
thank you, ma'am. Bye bye. Take care.